In this video, I'll guide you through how to check estimated property mortgage rate in PropWire. Hey, welcome back guys. So today we are talking about your PropWire account, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly show you how to find the estimated mortgage rate for a property using PropWire. This is a quick process with only a few steps involved, so be sure to follow along until the end. Knowing the estimated mortgage rate can be useful in certain real estate situations. For example, if you are running a wholesaling business and you are considering taking over a property through a subject-to agreement, knowing the estimated interest rate can help you determine if the property is worth pursuing. Whatever your reason, the process is handled directly inside your PropWire dashboard. I have already opened my PropWire account, and this is the main home screen. To find the estimated mortgage rate for a property, start by using the search bar and entering the property address. Once you enter the address, the property information will appear. Click on the property to open the details page. At the top of the property page, you will see several different sections. Make sure you are viewing the property section. After selecting property, scroll down through the information until you find the mortgage details area. Within this section, you will see a box labeled Open Mortgages. This area contains information about any current mortgage records associated with the property. To find the estimated current mortgage rate, look for the section labeled Estimated Rate. Here, you can see the estimated interest rate connected to the existing mortgage. For example, this property shows an estimated mortgage balance and an estimated rate of around 6.62%. In my experience, these estimates are usually fairly close, although they may vary slightly from the actual mortgage terms. Even though it is not always exact, it gives you a helpful idea of the type of financing attached to the property. This information can help you decide whether it makes sense to continue discussions with a seller, especially if you're evaluating a potential subject-to deal. For example, if you are specifically looking for a property with a much lower interest rate, a higher estimated rate may not match your buying strategy. So there you have it. If you are wondering how to check the estimated mortgage rate for a property using your PropWire account, this is the easiest way to find it. Hopefully, you found this guide useful, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks again for watching.